Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam Crew Revit tutorial. Okay, so in this session we're going to continue to model another furniture of our house over here, which is the kitchen cabinet. Okay, kitchen cabinet. First of all, we're going into our ground floor plan. Okay, then first of all we need to measure the rough measurement from here up to here. So it's 2931. Okay. Then we roughly get some dimension over here. Just draw a line here, and then just draw a line here. Because we are using the image file, so there might be some inaccuracy. But however, we need to get some basic guidelines for us to trade away start with our modeling over here. Okay. So here is the rough dimension. This L shape and here. Okay, then we back to our picture over here. We can see that we have a fridge compartment, and then we have a kitchen top, and then we have a kitchen, the stove, and then we have the hood. Then of course, above here there will be some ceiling cove that we're going to handle it later on. Then here we have a 2 layers cabinet, then a kitchen top, sinks, and the drawers, and then we had one extended countertop to cover up the washing machine. Okay, so as one set. Then here is a box up for the, I think it's for the sanitary pipe or the rainwater towel pipe. So it's camouflaged to become same color with the cabinet. Okay. So without further delay, let's go to here. So let's start with our family modeling. So first of all, we get to know that the ceiling height is 2.8. Okay. So it's set by our earlier coordination. Okay, our earlier modeling. Okay, then we come back to here. We start with a new family. Then we're always going to create our new family files. Here we start with generate model. Okay, open. Okay, now first of all, get a few reference lines, so we know that our here. Where's our plan view? Plan view is here, ground floor. Okay, so 2.2, then 2931. Create reference line. 2200. Okay, try to make it a center. So then another line, create reference line 2931. Okay, here. Then another one is go back to the plan view. Here we need 1450 maybe. So copy another one, 1450. So here we're going to know that this is an L shape. Okay, then how much is the width of here up to here? Normally it's 600. Okay, so we copy this 600 to fit. Maybe if you want a little bit more, then you can actually add another 100 for the wider stove area. Okay, then here going to maintain as 600. Okay, here also is 600. Of course, for the fridge compartment, if you go back to here, actually there something like you need to flush with here 600. Normally 600 for the fridge is quite small. Okay, sometimes you will have to leave some gap behind the fridge, so this one need to be extended out. But for this case, we going to remain it as 600. Okay, or maybe more if you want, just 50. Then now we can start to model our first countertop here. The moment here's the first countertop. So the height is 900 countertop, then the thickness is 50 mm. So we are modeling now is this one, the piece of the white color things here. The height is 900. If you want to have some guideline of the kitchen countertop height, you can always go to the online to search the standard guidelines provided by the buildings around the world. Okay, that's some kind of construction convention. It's from the normal practice of the design. Okay, so next, create another. This one, I'm going to create similar to create another countertop here. Here up to here. Yeah. So I guess one piece, yeah. But normally you won't have one piece. Normally it's joint. So to reduce the cost, cutting the stone and the transportation of the big piece of the stone. Okay. Okay, then done. The next one is the cabinet below here. So we have a 3 cabinet. Then we just left behind here for the washing machine. If you want to extend it towards the end, you also can do. So the remaining length you need to be extend until the end is around 1099. Basically it's 1, okay, 1.1 meter. So we can extend it more. A bit extrusion, so we can extend it more. 1.1. Okay, that's done. So now you don't need that reference line anymore. You can select everything here. Just select the reference line. Okay, then we delete that. Okay, now we have the countertop. So next thing is the cabinet body. So let's have a look at it. So quite standard. Basically, we need to create a solid for the skirting, then the body, then some panels, then you can act as your cabinet. So first of all, we're going to create extrusion. Extrusion from here up to here, okay? Then recess a bit, maybe about 25 mm for the kitchen cabinet cover. So this cover, the lid, yeah, cover, then maybe a little bit more, another 5 mm. Okay, so it's 30 mm. Then okay, then next, the cabinet over here, just use the same concept, just do extrusion. So offset 30 mm inside, avoid copy, just offset the line inside. Okay, here maybe is another line, so you can have a 2 opening for the cabinet. Offset in, okay, then finish. So the height of the cabinet is from 0 up to 850. Here also same, 0, 850. Okay, that's done. Turn to the 3D view. So this is what we have created. Then the panel. The rest of it is just panels. Then come to here just to create some panels. Okay, extrusion. Some panels. We need to go to here to see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 here. We need to divide by 2 here. So this total length here. This is the central line. Okay. Central line. Then we copy this. Let's say we allow 10 mm here, here. Delete that. Then we complete the extrusion like this. Here will be also the same. So we need to get the length over here. Here we need to offset a bit because we going to prevent the opening of here of the cover, so it won't clash with each other. Yeah. So here just allow a little bit more, maybe about 100 mm. Okay. So the rest of the length going to offset another 10 mm. So the rest of length is here, some to here. Okay, then we can divide 2 into 3. 1385 divided by 3 is 450. We can make it 450. 463. 460. 1. Then 450 maybe. Then 10 mm. Then 450. 10 mm. So delete the main lines over here, then we just cover up here. So let's make a base offset of 50 mm. Then the top offset is 820 maybe. So let's see what we have it here. So go to the 3D view. So this is the panel. Yeah. If you want to become drawer, then you just make 3 number of extrusion here. So I want to make it simple. So I'm just create something like this. So it's make it simple enough and fast enough to learn. Yeah. So edit extrusion. Then here we can actually create another one at the other side here. Then just copy this one up to from here up to here to create another panel. The rest we can finish dragging it to the end here. Finish. Then for panel over here, of course the rest of the thing here we just remain it as a fridge compartment. Okay. Just create. No, we going to use the same method. Just edit extrusion. Just create similar extrusion here over here. So back to the picture, we have 3 panels here. Then we have a fridge compartment here. Okay, fridge compartment we don't care. So fridge compartment we maybe allow it about 800 mm. Okay, a small fridge. Then beside here, going to have a small compartment, a vertical one for the storage, vertical storage. Let's say it's 50 mm. After 50 mm, then we have another. Not 50 mm, it's too big. 30 mm. Okay, then start here. We're going to have 450. No, it's a 300 mm storage width. Okay, then remaining here, I better just create 2 compartment we do. Yeah. So remaining length, how much? 1040. Then here we have a middle line, then just offset 10 mm left and right. Okay, then we delete this one, we just cover it up by the lines to form a closed loop. Yeah, then this one, just drag it until here, form a closed loop. This one also the same, closed loop. Okay, since this will be a full height, I think next time we're going to just have to create another one to here. From now on, this one finish here, finish that. Delete, redo again. Okay, that's done. So the 3D views like this, yeah, panel. And of course this one, you know that we're going to extend it further. So here, just a fridge compartment. Back to the plan. Let's go back to the plan to have a look. Okay, here's flush here. So basically it's a fridge compartment to be flush to here. So the countertop won't be extended until there. So you just stop somewhere over here. Okay, that means stop somewhere here, because this one going to be extend up, yeah, this one. Okay, then what's this going to be stopped somewhere here also. Okay, that's done. Here we need another extrusion. Create extrusion. Here we need to extrude it until 2.8. Line. Let's copy this one back to here. Just move it up like this. So the height is from 0 until 2.8. So here going to the same, we just delete this one. Here it's supposed to be full height, so finish that. Just create another extrusion so you can change the height independently. Just have offset about 5 mm left and right. Finish that, then you can pull this up. 3D view. So this 2.8. So this is a panel. Stop over here. Going to have another panel for the fridge here. Edit extrusion. Now here need to copy until to here. 800 away. Flush. Yes, flush. Finish. Okay, like this. This is a fridge compartment. Here is a wood. There is a washing machine compartment. Of course, behind here we need to fill in. Go to the reference level again, then back to here to create extrusion to fill in this gap. It's 2.8, yeah. Finish this. So back to our plan view here, our photo here. Actually, we have another tier of cabinet at the top here. So basically, this needs to stop somewhere in the middle. So back to the 3D view. Here, 3D view here. So let it be 2.4 or 2.1. Okay, then top will be another panel. If you want, you just copy it. Make another copy. 3D view. So 28 will be the top. So 2130 will be here like this. So after completed, change view range so you can see the panel. Apply OK, then you just move in to here. 3D view looks like this. Okay, it's done. Then the top panel over here also going to do the same. Here we need to copy another one up to here. Just close this up to here, and this copy, finish that to here. 3D views here we need to raise up to here. Okay, that's done. Okay, done. So now assign material parameters. Select this to, you know this is countertop, just assign the material to countertop. Okay, then okay, then here all cabinets body. Yeah, the carcass, basically we call it as a carcass. Click on here, change carcass material. Okay, then it's done. Okay, then we just load it back to your project. Before that, save it as your furniture. Okay, done. You can rename it, key in all the naming you want. Kitchen cabinet set. Okay, apply. Okay, then of course you still have a sink, then you need the opening. We're going to handle it later. For the sink and opening, basically you cannot model it as a solid here. You need to create a compartment for it, or else when you create a void over here, you will see that solid inside your sinky. I'm going to show you later in the next session maybe. So just want to keep this session short here. Now we need to load it back to our project. Then we need to save as our file here. Let's save over here, kitchen cabinet. We're going to modify it later on, including adding the hood, adding the hob. But now I'm going to put it here, then you have a view of it, whether it's correct or not here. Okay, now it's done. So the shape is match. Of course, this box up need to be modified later. So go back to the 3D view. So very quick, this will be the kitchen cabinet. Okay. So now we haven't assigned the material yet. If you want to assign it, you just click on here, then click on edit type. Remember the carcass material over here. You can assign any material you want. Let's say I want it to be wood. Okay, like a plywood. Okay, then countertop is like white solid countertop. Okay, just use this. Blind, then okay. So now you have a kitchen cabinet set. Okay, so remember last time we mentioned if you have a skirting, then it will might block your kitchen cabinet installation. So if you have a proper design, maybe you need to dismantle your skirting. Okay, if you already have the skirting around the kitchen, then you just need to extend or cut away the, you just need to butt to the wall. So you cut away a hole through the cabinet, so you can have a flush finishes without gap. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. This is what we have modeled, and this is what we see in the picture. We can continue to improve, adding a trays, adding the hood, adding the hob, then kitchen sink, then the top part of the cabinet. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.